I'd like to give you a walkthrough of our Electude folder structure and how to add modules into your Electude courses. First, I'll talk about the structure that we're using for Electude. We have our groups, subgroups. A group is divided by teacher, so each teacher is a group, and our subgroups, each teacher has a class in their subgroups. You'll see here I have Chuck Estrada. If I click on Chuck Estrada's name, I have his classes, which again are those subgroups. Inside those classes, we'll have a course. The course here is Chuck Estrada's 1405 Electude assignments, and each of those courses has a curriculum inside of it. Now, you'll notice if I click here, it doesn't show me anything about the course. It only shows me the students that are assigned to it. I can click this link to go straight to the course, but another way to get to a course is to click the Courses tab, click Self-Made, and each of you have one of your curriculums for each class that you're teaching. Now, these courses apply if you're teaching multiple sessions of the same class. You'll only have to edit one curriculum, but you could easily make a copy and change it to tailor to each individual session. You'll notice now that I'm inside of this course. All right, so this is where we want to add our curriculum. And I don't have any course or any modules. Now, ignore the part about courses. That's just a way to add a group of modules, but I want to add individual modules at this time. Over on the left, we have our modules tab. I'll click that, and I need to find a module that I like. Of course, we have our different areas, but for now, I just want to search for a topic. So I'll search oil filter. And the easiest way to get a module into your course is to make sure that you have your course selected. Again, this is where we're putting all of our curriculum for this course. I'll go back to modules, and I can drag, I'll click, hold, and drag this module into the Courses tab, and then let go. Now, nothing changed on this screen, but if I click the Courses tab, I'll notice that the module Oil Filter Basics is now included in our modules. Now, I'm going to go back to the Modules tab, and I may have seen another module that was interesting, like Changing Oil Basics. I'm going to click on that, and I might start the module to take a tour and decide that I like it. And what I'm going to do now is another way to get modules into your course. This time I'm going to click this heart icon to add it to my favorites. And it's going to ask me if I want to confirm and make that module in my favorites, and I'll say yes. Again, nothing changes here, but if I go back to my course, now when I hit this plus sign, all of the modules in my favorites are going to show up here. So I could select Changing Oil, add it, and now these two modules are in my course curriculum. Again, so we're right here at this level, our course curriculum. Now, if I go back to Chuck's individual class, I see, if I enter his curriculum again, I see that we have modules assigned. And not only that, because Chuck is teaching multiple instances of this 1405 course, it's assigned those modules to all of those, all of his students. But his 1410 course remains separate. We don't have anything entered here yet. So again, that's a quick way to enter modules into your courses to add material to your curriculum.